All right, now we're going to discuss quickly what is a unit rate. So I'm going to go back to my notebook, okay? In my notebook, the first thing you're going to write under the 3 different ways to write a ratio is unit rate. And then you're going to write definition. This is really important because at the end of this lesson, you will be taking a picture of your notes and showing to me that you did write this down on your notebook. So for the unit rate, here's the definition. A unit rate is how much, so make sure you're writing this down, of a quantity per 1, and this is so important, so we're going to underline this twice, per 1 unit of another quantity. So here's the definition of a unit rate. So we're going to go here and we're going to make sure we click this. So a unit rate is how much of a quantity per 1 unit of another quantity. So we're going to go ahead and click this answer. Now, here's question number 2. So what I'm going to do is again switch over to my notes and I'm going to write number 2 right here. Okay, so number 2, it says, which of the following ratios is a unit rate? Now we know that a unit rate is how much per 1 unit, 1 quantity per 1 unit of another quantity. Now if I look at all of these, I already see a quantity per 1 unit of another. So if I look at this example, a unit rate would be 5 miles per 1 hour, and the reason why is because it is how much one quantity is, which is miles, per 1 unit of another quantity. So we're looking at per 1 hour. So here in my notebook, I'm going to write here, example of a unit rate would be 5 miles per 1 hour. Okay. So, in example number 3, which of the following ratios is a unit rate? We have 3 eggs for every 1 cake box, 6 eggs for every 2 cake boxes, 9 eggs for every 3, 12 eggs for every 4 cake boxes. Obviously, my unit rate is going to be here, 3 eggs for every 1 cake box. And the reason why is because we're looking at how much 1 unit is, which is eggs, compared to or per 1 unit of another quantity. So here it's 3 eggs for every 1 cake box. So this would be my unit rate. Now you don't have to write number 3 on your notes because we just explained it. All we're going to do here is 3 miles per 1 hour, and then we're going to put or. Another example would be 3 eggs for every 1 cake box.